Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use mirror command in AutoCAD. To activate the mirror command, you can type mirror or you can use its alias MI. Press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the object that you want to make a mirror image of. So I'm going to select this arc as my object. Press enter. Now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the first point of the mirror line. If you want to create a mirror image of any object, you have to specify the mirror line. So let's specify this as the first point of the mirror line. So I'm going to click on this point. And now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the second point of the mirror line. So you can see that if I move my cursor, you can see the mirror image of the arc is also moving. So I'm going to specify second point at this point. AutoCAD is asking you whether you want to erase the source object or not. Let's say if I click yes, AutoCAD will erase the actual arc and will only keep the mirror image. You can also activate the mirror command using this mirror icon in Modify panel. Let's select this arc, press enter. So I'm going to keep this as the first point and I'm going to keep this as the second point. And this time I'll select, so AutoCAD is asking again if you want to erase the source object or not. So this time I'm going to select no. So you can see that AutoCAD has kept both of these arcs. Let's create the mirror object of this rectangle now. Activate the mirror command, select the rectangle, press enter, specify the first point of the mirror line. So let's select any random point here. And now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the second point on the mirror line. This dotted yellow line that appears on the screen is basically showing you the mirror line. You can see that the mirror object is also moving. So I'll just specify the second point randomly. Click on the screen. So I'm going to click no, and you can see that AutoCAD has created a mirror image of this rectangle and the mirror line is in this direction.